What's up guys, welcome back. So I keep seeing a lot of people post about banana bread on Instagram and it's kind of making me want banana bread. So today I figured why not make a healthy version of banana bread. Let's get into it. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is preheat your oven to 350. That way once you're all done mixing, you can just pop it in the oven. I've already laid out all the ingredients for this, so let's just run through them really quickly. You're gonna use mashed bananas, Greek yogurt, coconut oil, an egg, honey or agave, pecans, these are optional, milk, vanilla, and then for your dry ingredients, you're gonna use flour, baking soda, and salt. So I've already added the mashed bananas to the bowl. The next thing we're gonna do is add the Greek yogurt. We're gonna add the egg, the agave, the milk. If you want to make this dairy-free, you can use coconut milk, almond milk, soy milk, whatever you want. I figured why not just use regular milk because I'm using yogurt. You can also use dairy-free yogurt too. So we're also going to add vanilla to this. Okay, now we're going to mix this on medium-low for like 3 minutes until it's fully combined. I forgot the coconut oil, so we're going to add that too, and then we're going to continue mixing. Okay, now that our batter is fully combined, we're going to add the flour mixture a little bit at a time.
Get rid of the dishes.
Okay.
Get rid of the
Okay,
dishes.
okay.
You need to organically get rid of the dishes.
Okay.
Now it's all messed. Just take them out of the frame. You've messed up continuity already.
No, I haven't. I put it down right where it was.
It doesn't matter. Just take them out. Just take them out. Just get them out. I don't want them in my shot.
Okay, now that our wet ingredients are mixed together, I'm gonna add the flour a little bit at a time until it's just combined. So some other things that you can do for this recipe is to swap out the flour for whole wheat flour. That's gonna give you a little more nutrients. If you wanna use sour cream instead of Greek yogurt, that's totally fine. The great thing about this recipe is that the Greek yogurt is going to add moisture to it and it's gonna decrease the need to add any fats like cooking oil. Okay, now that our banana bread is pretty much combined, I'm just gonna use this little scooper again to wipe down the sides and to make sure everything is combined. Now that our mixture is all combined, I'm going to add in the pecans and just lightly mix. You don't want to overmix this batter or else they're not going to turn out right. Okay, now that our batter is totally done, we're going to scoop it into a greased muffin tin. I changed my mind. I decided to make banana bread muffins instead of banana bread loaf just because they're better for single servings. So I'm just going to use this nice little scooper that I have and scoop the mix right in. This is really helpful. I highly recommend getting one. I have them in like 4 different sizes. It keeps your hands from getting dirty. Okay, so because I made these muffins a little bigger than normal, I only got 8 out of it, but if you fill them like 3/4 of the way full, you should be able to get 12. Now these are gonna go in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until you can stick a toothpick in them and it comes out totally dry. So come back in 20 minutes. All right, so I just took the muffins out of the oven. They've been cooking for about 22 minutes. They're perfect, they're golden. Now we're just gonna transfer them to this wire rack so they can cool better and then dig in. If you aren't able to just pop them out with your hand by twisting them, you could use like a little butter knife to scoop around the edges, but they should be pretty easy to pop out if you grease the pan well. Okay, there you have it. I like to eat these with either peanut butter, just put a little butter on them. Nutella is really good on them too. But I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you make them.